Remember the eRegen product we spoke about earlier? I decided to buy a set for the old M52 and we're going to install it today. Right now, as it sits, the engine starts, fires smooth as silk, smooth as a straight six can be. So if anything, it should make the car better, should make the car feel more denser. We have just replaced the valve cover gaskets so they're not leaking. Intake manifold gaskets have been done. And yeah, all the chambers look good. There's nothing to report. We've had a lot of comments on everyone telling us to try this and try that and try this and try that. Yes, we will try this and try that in time. But for now, we are still stuck on eRegen Avenue. We are still stuck trying to fathom how can this give you so much of difference. I'm still baffled. If this actually works, I will get a set installed in my 1979 Ford Escort Mark II 1600 Sports Coupe. The instructions, according to them, say there is a difference in which I point this conductor at. So the direction is the bend, the hairpin, goes at the bottom, right at the very bottom. So what we shall do is, the straight end, we shall clip, just hold on to the edge of that where we can see eRegen. They say the twisting motion is required. Well, I wonder where I'm going to get that. So apparently it's as easy as that. So once you have put that in firmly, not jam it in there, but lightly glide it in. You hit it again, try it out. Okay, it doesn't fall out. That's good. I've went ahead of time and done all 6. They're all done. So that was the last one. Now let's reinstall them and see if there's any difference. I really want to see if we feel a difference. I really want to, I'm looking forward to it. I really am looking forward to it. I'm not being skeptical as in like, we see whether it work or not. We see. And then pray it fails. No. I'm honestly just waiting to see if, are they on to something? Or is it just smoke? So we have just started the car. We are going to let it idle, warm up. So far so good. Is it quiet? Yes, it's a bit quieter. But wait, let's see for the drive. Let's see how it idles, how it revs up. Because I'm still skeptical. I'm still on the fence about it. So enough talk. Let's get this on the road and see what it feels like. What was the 38 feeling before this? It was feeling like a 38. It was feeling a bit feeling literally like that. Now it's like it has a little bit of a spring in its step. By driving this, I feel the Vanos was not engaging before. Now it is, much so that it's engaging. Why are you on this lane? Huh? Dipshit. So far, I want to be skeptical, but it's like, no, it does have a difference. The car does feel different. It feels more like when I step on it. Before this, it used to say, yes, what do you want? Oh, power. Okay, here you go. Now it's like, okay, that's the difference. The immediate difference I can note. Verdict on the eRegen product that we're testing out, is there actually a difference or is it just placebo? Or is it just, white smoke, black smoke, blue smoke, any smoke? But right now, after our test drive, I feel that the engagement of the Vanos, the cam timing, the throttle body, the sensors, the injectors, everything is working together a bit more tightly, stringently. We went between 5 traffic lights, put the hammer down between each one of them, and then went onto the highway, put the hammer down again, went slow, put the hammer down again, and yes, I could feel the difference. I could actually feel at one point when I got back on it, And when it passed 3,750 RPM, the Vanos actually opened up. This is not all. We are going to continue. We're going to keep going. And to see what this product actually is more in depth, and to see if every one of you need it. For now, I think I need it. I wouldn't remove it. I have installed eRegen on the E36. Yes, that was done off camera. This was done on the E36. Yes, that will be coming soon. But here's a little teaser, a sound teaser on what's to come.